We are grateful to the management of Flynas Airlines for launching regular flights between the Kyrgyz Republic and Saudi Arabia, which will undoubtedly contribute to strengthening political, trade, economy and the investment relations between the two countries, increasing trade turnover, promoting tourism and the two countries, as well as reviving the Great Silk Road. In recent years, the numbers of the people in Kyrgyzstan wishing to perform Umrah and the Hajj has increased 3 to 4 times. This year alone, more than 6,000 citizens of Kyrgyzstan performed the Hajj. According to information over the past 5 years, more than 120,000 citizens of Central Asian countries have performed the Hajj. They spent more than $500 million on Hajj. According to statistics, about 7,000 Saudi citizens visited Kyrgyzstan in 2021 and more than 9,000 in 2022. It should be noted that this number are before the opening of direct regular flights between the Kyrgyz Republic and the Saudi Arabia. This year we expect that with the launch of flights from Jeddah to Bishkek and Osh, the number of tourists from Saudi Arabia visiting the Kyrgyz Republic will reach over the 15,000 people, and next year we expect even more. Taking this opportunity, I would like to express my gratitude to the custodian of two holy mosques, King Salman bin Abdulaziz Al Saud, and the Crown Prince and the Prime Minister of the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, His Royal Highness Mohammed bin Salman Al Saud, for their support in developing cooperation in strengthening fraternal relations between the two countries. Flynas is the only Saudi airline that connects Central Asia to the kingdom. It offers direct flights to Kyrgyzstan, specifically to Osh and Bishkek. We are hoping to see more development to air routes and to strengthen the bond between Kyrgyzstan and the brotherly Saudi Arabia.